Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about class 6 mathematics chapter number 10, that is mensuration. And the topics we are going to discuss in this video are: first we'll discuss introduction of mensuration, then perimeter of different shapes and figure. Next one is perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, perimeter of equilateral triangle, perimeter of regular pentagon, perimeter of regular hexagon. Okay, so first we'll start from introduction of mensuration. Mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with measurement of length, area and volume of various geometric shapes. Okay, it is the measurement of length, area and volume. So first we will discuss perimeter, that is the length. Okay, so it is distance covered when you go around once along the boundary of any closed figure, that is known as perimeter. Okay, it is the distance that measure along the boundary of any closed figure. That distance is known as perimeter. Hence perimeter refers to the length of the boundary. Okay, it is the length of the boundary of any closed figure. Clear? Or you can say that if a figure is made up of line segment only, that is the polygon, then we can find its perimeter by adding the length of all the sides. Okay, we can find the perimeter of any closed figure. If it is made up of a line segment, then what to do? Just to have to add the side of that figure. Okay, all the side of that figure to get the perimeter. Now come to an example which is related to that type of figure. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Okay, so it is a polygon or closed figure that is made up of only line segment, and the length are given here. It is 12, 3, 7, 10, 3, 15 and 12. We have to add all this. Here one side is missing, so its total side is 12 and it is 3 and another is 3. 3 plus 3 6. If we subtract 12 minus 6, we get 6 as the result, and this side become 6. Okay, now what to do? To get the solution, we have to find the sum of all the sides, that is sum of all side. I'm starting from here. It is 12, then it is 3, then 7. Okay, then we have find that it is 6, then 10, 3, 15 and 12. If we add all this side, then we get 68 as the sum. Okay, sum of all this side is 68, so the perimeter of this figure is 68. Okay, now come to perimeter of rectangle. So what is rectangle? A rectangle is a closed figure with two pair of opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. One more thing is this opposite pair of sides. Okay, it is a side, this and this one is equal and this pair are equal. Okay, and each angle means it is the gap between two line segment. So here we are getting a gap and that gap is 90 degree. Okay, each gap is 90 degree. Clear? Here opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel and each angle is 90 degree. That type of figure is known as rectangle. And here we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Here the longer side is known as length. Okay, longer side, this one is known as length. I am writing L here, and shorter side is known as breadth. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle equal to sum of all side again, as it is a figure which is made up of line segments, so we can say that sum of all side. Here it is the longer side is length, then it is breadth. Okay, this one is breadth, then again length and again breadth. Here we are getting 2 times length and 2 times breadth, so we can write the formula as 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle equal to, we can say that 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Come to an example. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular form of length 24 meter and breadth 18 meter. Okay, at the rate of 8 per meter. We have to first find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter of rectangle equal to, as we know that 2 into length plus breadth. We have given the length and breadth also. So what to do? Put the value here. So perimeter of form equal to, that is the rectangular form, that equal to 2 multiplied by, here length is 24, I am writing 24 here, and breadth is 18. So 2 into 24 plus 18, that equal to 2 into, if we add these two, 24 and 18, we are getting 42. Okay, So 42 to the it is 84 meter. So perimeter of this rectangular form is 84 meter. We have to find the cost of that one. Okay, as you know that 1 meter equal to it is 8 rupees. So we have to find that for 84 meter. So multiply these two. So cost of fencing 84 meter equal to 84 multiplied by 8, that equal to we are getting 672 rupees. Okay, thus the cost of fencing the farm is rupees 672 only. Clear? Next come to regular closed figure. Regular means all sides equal and all angle equal. Figure with equal length of sides and equal measure of angle. Okay, equal length of sides and equal measure of angle are known as regular closed figure, or you can say that one as regular polygon. Okay, so how to find the perimeter of that type of figure? Perimeter of regular polygon equal to, as we know that it is all sides are equal and all angle are equal, so the formula for this one is same. Okay, that is number of sides multiplied by length of one side. Okay, first we'll discuss about the perimeter of square. It is a simple closed curve made up of only line segment and all sides are equal. Look at here. Square is a regular polygon with 4 equal sides and equal angle also. Each angle is 90 degree. If we measure the angle, we'll get this one as 90 degree. Okay, so all sides are equal. So how to find the formula for this one? As you know that number of sides multiplied by length of one side. So perimeter of square equal to, there are 4 sides here, side plus side plus side plus side, sum of all side. So we are getting 4 side. So that equal to, we can write this one as 4 multiplied by side. Okay, perimeter of square equal to 4 multiplied by side. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of square. Next come to an example. Find the perimeter of square having side of length is 25 centimeter. Come to the solution. As you know that we have to write the whatever we have given here, that is side of square equal to 25, then perimeter of square equal to 4 multiplied by side. Okay, that equal to, we can write as perimeter of square equal to 4 multiplied by, here side is 25, so 4 multiplied by 25, that equal to 100. Okay, next come to perimeter of equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 equal sides and angles also. Here the 3 sides are equal, that is we have taken here A and A. 3 equal sides and 3 equal angle are, as you know that sum of angle of any triangle is 180 degree. If we divide that by 3, 180 divided by 3, we are getting 60 here. Okay, so each angle become 60 degree. Clear? So how to find the perimeter of this one? Perimeter of equilateral triangle equal to 3 multiplied by side, that is number of sides multiplied by length of one side. So it is 3 multiplied by side. Here the length is A, we have taken A, so you can write this one as 3 into A also. Okay, now come to question related to this. Find the perimeter of triangle having each side length as 13 centimeter. Come to the solution. We have given the side. Okay, side of equilateral triangle is 13 and we have to find the perimeter of this one. So perimeter of this equal to 3 multiplied by side, that equal to, here the side is 13, 3 multiplied by 13, 13 3 is 39. Okay, now come to perimeter of regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5. So a regular pentagon is a polygon with 5 equal sides and angle also. Look at here. Here is the polygon. It is made up of 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 and 5 angle also. Okay, and each angle is equal. We can find the angle also. So now come to formula for this one. Perimeter of regular pentagon equal to 5 multiplied by side. If we take side as A, then the formula becomes 5 multiplied by A. Okay, now come to an example for this one. Find the perimeter of pentagon having side length 9 centimeter. Come to the solution. Side of the regular pentagon is equal to 9 centimeter. So the perimeter of regular pentagon is equal to 5 multiplied by length of one side. Okay. So it is 5 multiplied by 9 equal to 45. Clear? Next come to perimeter of regular hexagon. Hexagon means a regular hexagon is a polygon with 6 equal sides and equal angle also. Look at here. Here the hexagon having 6 equal sides and 6 equal angle. So how to find the perimeter of this one? As we know that number of sides multiplied by length of one side. So perimeter of regular hexagon equal to 6 multiplied by side. If we take side as A, then we got the formula of this one as 6 multiplied by A. Okay. Here is an example. Find the perimeter of hexagon having sides length 15 centimeter. So come to the solution. Side of the regular hexagon equal to 15 centimeter. So perimeter of regular hexagon equal to 6 multiplied by side, that equal to, here side is 15, 6 multiplied by 15, that equal to 59 ja 6 9 ja 6 15 ja 90. Okay. Next one is perimeter of regular octagon. Regular octagon is a polygon with 8 equal sides and equal angle also. Here this octagon consists of 8 equal sides and 8 equal angle also. Here is the gap and this angle are equal. Okay. So the perimeter of this one is, here are octagon means 8 sides, so you can write the formula as 8 multiplied by side. If we take the side as A, so formula becomes 8 multiplied by A. Okay. So here is an example for this. Find the perimeter of octagon having side length 7 centimeter. So here is the solution. Side of regular octagon is 7 centimeter. So perimeter of regular octagon equal to 8 multiplied by side, 8 multiplied by 7, as 7 is the side here, so 8 7 ja 56. Okay. So we have completed all this. That is the perimeter of different shapes, that may be regular or irregular. We can find the perimeter of all by using this formula. That's all. Thank you.